Hi guys, now we will see how we can register quick card authentication in our MFPs. First we'll go login as an administrator. Now we have to go to user tools, machine features, then system settings, administrator tools, user authentication management, where we will choose basic authentication and choose the necessary setting. Available functions: full color, single color black, copy mode limitation full color, all printer other functions, all we will select it and say OK, then say exit. Then we can again log in as admin. Okay, now we have to create a new user. In the address book, I created my name here. Then in the authentication information, I put my username as Deepu only. Then again login password, I put 1111. Say OK. Again I put 1111. Say OK. Okay. I have created a user with a simple authentication, username and password. Now I'll go to user tools again, screen features, then I'll go to screen device settings, IC card reader. I will choose proximity card reader. Proximity card reader settings, I will choose the card reader type. I will explain you how to connect the card reader. Before that, what I will do is I will delete this card reader. Before I will delete, say do not use, and then I just come out, so the card reader is deleted. Then go back here, there is no card reader here, correct? Okay, now I log out. You want to log out? Okay, I logged out. Okay, we will log in again. Using admin. Then we will go to user tools, screen features, screen device settings, IC card settings. Now what we will do, we will connect a card reader. Now we have to choose a connector like this. One side is USB extender and the other side is a small USB like this. We will connect it in this side panel. Before that, we have to remove this cover from here. Then we can see this this hole, and inside you can see a USB port there, where you have to connect this small cable, this side of the cable. Now I am trying to connect this cable here. It's gone inside. Now it is connected, and we will connect the other end of the cable to a USB card reader. We will connect this end of the USB card reader to the cable. Now we have connected this. Now let's log in again. Just see the proximity card reader setting screen. This is the before connecting the card reader. This is the screen. Now we will see after connecting the card reader. Just now I connected the card reader. Then you can see it is automatically detected the card reader. Now we will say OK. Now this card reader is selected. You can just go and see this is already selected. Proximity card reader support plugin selected, and this tick mark is here. Now we are ready for the authentication. Now we can come back. This is the screen. Come back. Now come back. Now we can go to this quick card authentication option here. Then you select this use authentication. Machine says authentication settings have been changed. The changes will be applied after the machine is restarted. Turn the main power switch off, then on. So now we will switch off the main power switch. Now machine says shutting down, maximum waiting time 4 minutes. Now the machine is fully off. We will restart the machine. We will start the machine again. Machine shows preparing for authentication, and it is asking for to log in, hold smart device over control panel or IC card over reader. Now I will hold this card on this card reader. Now the card is recognized, and it is asking for a username and password. Now I will input my username and password here. My password I selected is 1111 and say register. The card reader, the card or smart device has been already registered, because I already registered this card with my other card reader, other card. So what I will do, I will say overwrite. I can say overwrite, or I can register another card also. So registration card has succeeded. Say exit. Now what I will do, I will try to log in using this card. It is logged in. So this is how we can configure smart card authentication in Ricoh machines. Now we will take a copy using this option. Now we'll log out from this screen, and then we'll log in as an administrator to see whether this copy is registered in the address book user per counter list. Log out, say OK. Now I'll log in as an admin. I'll go to user tools, machine features, system settings, admin tools, display print counter per user. Select this. You can see this against my name, black and white copies. I have taken 2. I can print counter list here. Say total prints I can take, or only copier I can take, printer I can take separately. Say total prints and print. Now you can see that this is the printout taken in this username and account name, total pages, 2 black and white. In this way we can configure printing also. In the printer's properties we can add the same username and password, and then we already authenticated the print job in the user authentication. So whatever prints comes with the authentication username and password, it prints and it registers here in this counter print per user. So the user will know each person how many number of copies he has taken and how many prints individual person have printed. This function also supports Ricoh's app, which can be used in Android and Apple iPhones. Ricoh connector is the app the user has to download and install in their Android or Apple device. Then we can configure this machine using the app, and then you can print using the Ricoh connector app. Same authentication information can put in the Ricoh app also, so it will work along with the card authentication. Thank you.